Hey, Sue Moore here, and the quick tip of the day, no, the quick question of the day is do you listen to market trends? You know, I've had this thought kind of rolling around in my head for a while, thinking about, earlier as I was growing up and so forth, when there were new kinds of things that were coming out, like Apple and, 1980, and, I thought it was a piece of fruit. Hey, Diane, how are you? Thanks for jumping on. And you never do anything about it. And, I've asked myself, why didn't I do that? And the answer to that really isn't important. What is important is my CBD tip of the day, and that is this. 90% of success is timing and positioning. And guess where the curve of prosperity is landing right now? Since the Farm Bill was passed and signed in 2018, that is where the curve of prosperity is in our country. It's called CBD. Now, like I said, 90% of success is timing and positioning. And I want to see if I can get this to you. This is where we are. Hang on here if I can get this to you. This is where this is where we are now. Over here. Where's my finger? Okay, here we go. This is where we are now. This is the formulation time. Everybody in the world is getting into CBD, but you can see how fast this goes up. Now, like I said, it's in a very exciting time. It's a very exciting industry. There is a lot of confusion out there. There are a gazillion companies. Everybody just, hung out their shingle when the Farm Bill was signed. But know this, not all CBDs are created equal. If you would like to get information on what I consider to be the absolute best company out there, message me. I'll fill you in on the ABCs of CBD. But I just wanted you to understand that not too many times during someone's life does something as big as this happen. And this is huge. Everybody in the world is getting into it. I just saw, I'm digressing, I shouldn't say this, but I think it's Nike. One of the shoe manufacturers is going to have a hemp tennis shoe, and it was really cute too. Anyway, that's it for today. That's my tip. 90% of success is timing and positioning. If I can help you with anything, just message me and we can have a really nice conversation. Thanks, Diane, for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.